So when you log into the game right now, you might see this message pop up right there where it says it's a game update and you're not able to get into the game. So basically there is a server maintenance, there is going to be a maintenance break, and you're not going to be able to get into the game right now. There is no, it's not a glitch or it's not anything like that. No one is going to be able to get into the game, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you how and when you're going to be able to get into it. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. So yeah, basically it is a game update. We're going to get a new league update where we're going to get like leagues where you can be where there can be like up to 100 people, and we're gonna get a lot better rewards and everything like that. We're also gonna get new Beckham Chronicles, we're also gonna get gameplay improvements, everything like that. Plus obviously we're gonna get a Thunderstruck event as well, right, where we can get up to 107 overall cards when they eventually get live overall upgrades, and there is a Mbappe card there as well. But with what EA said on stream and with what they posted before on Twitter as well, there is basically gonna be a 3-hour maintenance break at a refresh time. Okay, at a refresh time. So right now when you go ahead and log in, you're not gonna be able to get into the game. So from the refresh time, 3 hours from then, you're not gonna be able to get into the game within those 3 hours. It might be a little bit shorter or a little bit longer, as they said, but there is not a glitch, there is nothing like that. You're just not able to get into the game, unfortunately, for 3 hours from the reset time. You can go ahead and check it after 3 hours from the reset time, and you might be able to get in. So yeah, that's basically all it is to it. If you want to know what upgrades or updates we're going to be getting in that new reset, we're going to get new Thunderstruck players, just like you see right there. We're going to get a couple of these icon players, plus some of these players right there, they're not icons or heroes. With Mbappe there, as I said, there is 105 overall DiMarco, and some of these players can get up to 107 overall. For example, Frank Lampard can get up to 106 and 107, same with Robin van Persie. Then also someone like Kluivert can become a 105, I think, and so on and so on. Some of these players can become 105, 106, 107. They can get up to 2 overall upgrade. If you want to know how that works, you can go ahead and check the video before this one. I explained pretty much everything about the Thunderstruck event, about Beckham Chronicles, about league updates, and I also talked about a new redeem code as well, so you can go ahead and get a free pack. In this Beckham Chronicles section as well, you can get so many different Beckham cards. Okay, we got different chapters. Chapter 1 is going to be unlocked straight away, but in the collection section you can see we got 104 overall central mid Beckham version, we've got 102 overall ranked up Beckham version, 102 overall right mid, 102 overall another right midfielder Beckham version, as well as 104 overall central mid Beckham version. A lot of these Beckham cards that you can see, so you can go and get a lot of them. When we eventually get that new update and when we get into the game, you're gonna be able to just play this Chronicle selection as well as get into the leagues, everything like that.